Good morning, students. This is class 9 science. We are studying the lesson, why do we fall ill? So students, in the continuation with the last class, today we are going to study about the principles of prevention. Principles of prevention of diseases. So we can say that a person who is suffering from infectious disease may become disease-free after its treatment. A person who is suffering from infectious disease may become disease-free after its treatment, but there are certain limitations or shortcomings to this approach. What are these shortcomings? The diseased person may become disease-free. The diseased person will become disease-free after some time, but some of his body functions or organs may get permanently damaged. For example, in case of polio, limbs of the person may be permanently impaired. So some of the body functions or body organs may be permanently damaged. Then the second is the person suffering from infectious disease may act as a source of infection for other who come in his contact. So it may become a source of infection. And thirdly, the patient has to undergo a long and costly treatment. He may be advised to take complete bed rest, and in such cases, he loses both money and time. So we should always, in order to overcome these approaches or these shortcomings, there is very famous saying that prevention is always better than cure. So what is the significance of this quote? What is the significance of this quote? The significance is that we have to take the necessary prevention rather than suffer from the disease. So what are the principles of prevention? Principles of prevention are usually divided into two categories: general method and specific method. What is the general method? The general method involved in preventing exposure against microbes. Preventing exposure against microbes by boosting the immune system. Preventing exposure against microbes can be done in the following ways. We should, for airborne diseases, we can prevent exposure by avoiding overcrowded places. For waterborne diseases, we can prevent exposure by not using contaminated water. For vector-borne infections, we can prevent exposure by providing a clean environment and providing better living conditions which are not overcrowded, safe by drinking safe pure water, clean water, where we should never buy food articles which are sold roadside. Never take open food articles. We'll cover the drainage system to destroy the mosquito breeding places. We can cover all the digs which have stagnant water. Then encouraging public hygiene, then encouraging immunization of children, then public awareness programs about immunization programs. So these all are general methods. By boosting our immune system plays an important role in fighting against the microbes. If we have strong immune system, then chances of getting sick are less. What happens? Our immune system plays an important role in fighting against the microbes that enter our body. Strengthening the immune system can help in preventing many diseases. Nowadays, during this COVID period, you must have seen that in your home also, your mother must be giving you lemon water, then vitamin C tablets and zinc tablets. She's always trying to improve your immune system. She's giving you fresh fruits, citrus fruits, then kada. She must be giving you kadas also. So these all are the methods of boosting our immune system. Proper nourishment or healthy diet that includes all the nutrients as well as vitamins and minerals for the better functioning of our immune system. Nowadays, you are eating all things which are prepared in your home also. And at home only. You are not eating fast foods and you are not eating outside foods. So these all are the methods of improving your immune system. Then the second is specific methods. The specific method involves a prevention method directed against a particular disease. It is directed against a particular disease. It is done by immunization. And what is this immunization? What is this immunization? Immunization is the process of introducing a weakened pathogen inside the body of the host. What is immunization? It is done, it is a process of introducing a weakened pathogen inside the body of the host to make his immune system to produce antibodies against that particular disease, so that the next time, even if the disease will strike the host body with full vigor, the body will be able to protect itself with the help of these antibodies. So the practice of strengthening the immune system is called immunization. During immunization, or we can say vaccination, we inject some killed microbes or such agents which are similar to the actual microbe into the body. The immune system of the person develops immunity for such microbe. Now, when actual microbe enters the body, immune system is ready to offer resistance. Today, we have many vaccines which are active against a wide range of infectious disease such as tuberculosis, tetanus, diphtheria, whooping cough, measles, polio, hepatitis, and you all must be aware that our government is carrying out pulse polio mission since 1995. So all these, uh, this immunization is done to strengthen our immune system. Immune system. Our body has an elaborate defense system known as the immune system, and this immune system fights with the overpower the germs entering our body. And you all know that WBC circulate throughout the body. As soon as the microbe enter a body, these cells increase in number and kill the microbes. Thus, they manage to kill the infection long before it takes the shape of a major disease. And with the reduced or controlled number of microbes, the manifestation of disease is minor or insignificant. So in other words, we can say that if the person is exposed or infected with some infectious disease, it is not necessary that it will develop noticeable disease. And this is immunity, the ability of an organism to recognize, destroy, eliminate, or resist the attack of an pathogen is termed as immunity. What is immunity? Immunity is the ability of an organism to recognize, destroy, eliminate the attack of an organism. Or in simple words, we can say that the ability to fight against disease is known as, to resist diseases and to fight against diseases is known as immunity. And immunity, you must all be aware of smallpox, which was once a very dreaded disease, and that has completely eradicated now. But when it was prevalent, the people who had suffered from this disease were immune to the subsequent attacks. Means once a person was affected with smallpox in his life, never again this disease will reoccur. So our immune system has a very strong memory also, and what happens when it encounters a specific microbes, it responds against it and remembers it. Whenever it encounters a specific microbe, it responds against it and remembers it. Next time when this microbe or any of its close relative enter a body, the immune system responds with strong vigor and eliminates the infection much more quickly. And gradually the body becomes totally free of that infection as it has developed complete immunity for the subsequent attacks. So this is immunization or the specific method. A specific method to strengthen an immune system. Yeah, what is immune system? We'll revise. The immune system is a network of cells, tissues and organs that work together in order to protect our body from diseases. We may consider the immune system as a defense system of our body. Immune system is the defense system of our body. The immune system looks out and destroys the disease-causing germs in our body with the help of special cells known as white WBC or white blood cells. I've explained to you earlier also. These cells are present in the body and hence they circulate throughout the body and monitor it. When any germ or any foreign substance enter a body, they are called antigens. As the immune system recognize these antigens, it releases antibodies which lock the antigens and destroy them with the help of other cells. The ability of a body to resist a disease with the help of antibodies is called immunity. Now, I think it is very clear that the ability of a body to resist with the help of antibodies is called immunity, and this is how our immune system works. Now, a specific method to strengthen our immune system. How can we strengthen our immune system? See, the above methods were just general ways of preventing any diseases. A specific method to strengthen the immune system and hence prevent disease is vaccination. Vaccination. Whenever our body is affected by a disease, our immune system not only fight against it, but it also remembers how to respond when the same disease-causing microbe affect the body next time. Similarly, vaccination contains an agent that is similar to the disease-causing agent in a weakened or killed microbe form. As it enters a body, our immune system learns to fight against it and hence prevents us from actually getting infected when the actual disease-causing microbes enter our body. Today, vaccines are available for enhancing the immune system against various diseases such as polio, chickenpox and measles. And I hope very soon we will develop a vaccine for this coronavirus or COVID-19 also. We all hope so that the school will reopen and we'll be studying in a more practical way. Thank you and have a nice day.